Hello, my fellow cruisers. So, on the way to another cruise, but I decided to stay in Biloxi. I am in the Hard Rock Royal Tower. Apparently, I think it's the Platinum Tower. They're having a little bit of maintenance issues. Even stated on a piece of paper that said they can run out of hot water, y'all. Beware. So, currently, we are... This is the room right next to the elevators, because there's the elevator. Right there is the ice room. We will just take a look before we go in. Elevators. Ice. It's really ice and snacks. Ice, yes, it's free. Snacks, not free. Definitely not free. Moving on back to the room. So as you see, we got one of the outfits of one of the superstars. You can barely see their name because of all the reflection. This is 816. Yeah, the door is questionable. So as you walk in, complete wood floors at the entrance, and then runs in the carpet. This is older carpet. So this is just a double queen room. This was a comp for me, so it doesn't matter as long as I got a bed. Hi! So this is your door. Yeah, there's still that little gap down there where you can hear people. Oh, this door over here, making that, when you open, it's a different story. So, this is the light switch. It is a dimming light switch. And then, this is your closet. Frankly, it's small, but it's big. But with this, I don't know, raggedy boudoir, I have questions. That is the safe. As you can see, it's only enough space for one suitcase. Tried turning it sideways, didn't work. You still have a ironing board in here, dirty deeds. That means for laundry, not other things for the rest of us and for the people in the back. One extra pillow, no blankets. This is a different type of room because I'm used to Hard Rock not having any damage. So I must have stayed in the Platinum Tower before. They got this nice marble countertop, double sinks, and then you have this tiny Hamilton Beach coffee maker. Provide you with 2 cups, some tea, some coffee, some water. If you want more water, you have to go get it, or you can call for it. You have lotion, shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner here. Then you have 2 bars of soap. And I want to say this is a shower cap. Yeah. You have your tissues, your mirror, your flippy mirror for the ladies. Some storage for towels. Your hair dryer, that is included. Toilet. It is a low flow, pretty much get on your knees, and I guess you can call it the squatty potty. You got your towels for your bath. Now, this is different. This is a jacuzzi room. I haven't been in one of these in a while, but will I take an actual dip in this? Absolutely not. Hold on. Absolutely not. Why? Kind of looked a little bit grungy down there. The tub looks clean-ish. You can still see marks and stuff. Like, I'd have to totally Clorox this whole thing before I even want to dip a toe in here and sit in the bath water. So that's not happening. Looks like they have a multi-head shower, which is nice. Tile, good. Shower curtain, not great. glass door. Can definitely see the wear. I don't know. Hard Rock. You slipping, bro. You slipping. I guess it's just a platinum tower. Must be like all the newest stuff. Yeah. Per this bed, I already hit my knee like twice on the corners of this bed. Not a fan. You have some pictures. You have your pillows for days, which is, they're nice. They're fluffy pillows with complimentary guitar. Fluffy. There's not a clock over here, which is very strange. At least there are some outlets in the back. But this is a full regular view of the room. Yeah, that's your TV in there. That is your fridge. There's the radio, but the radio's not really even plugged in. Your phone looks like Ethernet cables. That's your ice tray right there. I already got ice as soon as I came in, since it was next door. Photos, your TV back there, one seat, and your air conditioning controller is over there, which at least it was nice and cool when I came in. Now, I'm gonna open the window, but in order to open the window, I gotta turn like all the lights off because you can't really see past the reflection. So that's what I'm doing. So where I'm located is, so that is the guitar in the front, and there is some signage sloganeering over here. So I am, from my point of view, close to the car garage, because that over there is trees, but that's Main Street. Like, I know you can't even see my finger, but I'll zoom in. That's Main Street. So that's the road that has the other hotels going on it and whatnot, and you keep going. Like, you see that little strip of lights over there? That's the other bridge. So if you keep going this way, that's where you run into like Golden Nugget and a few other casinos. The Hars, and who else is over there? There's like 2 other casinos, or it's like one. Yeah, I think it's 2 others over that way. So this is the room, full-fledged. I mean, it's not bad. It's a bit run down, so I'm a little bit disappointed for it to have like this much damage in it, for it being like a hard rock room. I'm not gonna lie, tell you the truth, I would be pissed if I was paying like $600 a night in this room. There's just a lot of damage, and I'm surprised like they have this much here. Oh well, y'all just needed a bed for the night so I can carry on. I hope you enjoyed my little room tour of 816 in the Royal Tower in Biloxi, Mississippi. Bye, y'all!